So here I am in my greenhouse today. Today's a little bit of a chore day, a bit of this, a bit of that. Got some laundry on the line, and I'm going to show you what I have growing in here. It's nice and toasty, which I'm super happy about, and I'll show you what I have. In this pot here, I planted some basil seeds a couple of weeks ago, and they've already come up, so this is great. I've got another tub here. And then these guys I planted about a month ago. I started them in the house and I brought them out here. So they're doing really, really well. And then over here I have, again, more basil because I do make a lot of pesto in the summer and put it in the freezer, and having fresh basil for that is absolutely spectacular. So this is some zucchini that I have right here, and next to it I have some tomato plants that my mom gave me. So these are going to go in the ground probably tomorrow. And these are my strawberry hanging baskets, and look, already a baby strawberry. I am so excited, and it looks like I'm gonna get a lot of berries because look at all the blossoms it has. It's all dewy this morning, and right here I have, this is a row of bush beans that I've planted, and I started these seedlings indoor and I've had to put this netting over them. So this is like wedding dress tulle, because I've noticed that something got in here and just started eating my plants. I don't know if you can see there, but the leaves are really chewed off there. So I covered it with this netting. I don't know if I'm going to use red next time, because I do notice that the hummingbirds are getting confused. They're thinking it's something for them, but anyhow, that's that. And then here I've got covered up, these are zucchini plants that I've covered up, and then I've got a few more in my greenhouse that I'm going to plant here. And then here I have a little lettuce patch. So these guys were planted, I guess, around the beginning of April. And I just covered them up with a bit of plastic to kind of greenhouse them a little bit. And then these guys I planted about a month ago, so you can see they're little tiny things, but they're coming up too. So I'm very happy about that. And then I'll just, over in this section, I've got just one little broccoli plant. And then I'll plant some more lettuce in that section too. This is my driveway, and as you can see, I've got these Rubbermaid tubs pretty much all the way down. So I've got potatoes in these first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tubs. And then down at the end here, I have a couple of tubs that I planted carrot seeds in, and they're just starting to barely, you know, there's a little one there. Anyways, they're just starting to come up. And here I planted some cucumber seeds. So I'm going to grow one cucumber in this tub, and this tub I'm just getting ready for planting. I'm going to put another one here. So in here, as you can see, I've just put all my garden debris in here. This is all my grass, crabgrass, compost, whatever that I have, and then I'm just going to top it all up with potting soil, and when the other cucumbers come up, I'm going to plant it in there. And these ones are empty. I haven't gotten them quite ready yet. I've got my pressure canner going, and I just love the little hula dance that the weight is doing on top of my pressure canner. So when it's done, I'll show you what I can. So today's one of those days I'm just getting a bunch of those little things done that need to get done. So here I'm just working on cutting up my dish sponges. So what I do is I take these and I cut them in half. And I just find they last me a lot longer because I go through a lot of these because I do my dishes by hand. And then the next thing is the hand soap dispenser in our bathroom is done. It's empty. So this is a foaming hand soap container because it's got this funky little top. And I love these foaming hand soap containers because what I do is I've got this really nice big bottle of hand soap, and it's a citrus and sage scent. It smells so good. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to fill this up just with a few tablespoons. I've got about maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons of that hand soap in here, and then I'm just going to top the rest off with water. And now I have this brand new bottle of foaming hand soap. I'm just gonna give this a little shake to kind of mix it all around. And that is gonna be perfect. So this bottle of hand soap is gonna last me a long, long time if I'm only using a few tablespoons at a time to refill my foaming soap container. Here's my freshly pressure canned meat. I have 4 jars of beef brisket and 5 jars of ground beef, which is a perfect addition to my pantry. So today I'm in a little bit of a baking mood, and I found a can of pineapple that expired a few months ago in October, and I need to use it up. So I think I'm going to make some morning glory muffins with it. So I've just taken the muffins out of the oven, and I'm gonna head over to my mom's and share some with her. So I've just come home from sharing my muffins with my mom, and it's just started to rain. So I just quickly grabbed my laundry from the line, and it's been a good day, you know? Life is good. There's always something to care about, something to take pride in, something to give thanks for, and something to celebrate, and something to look forward to. So take care, everyone, and we'll see you next time.